Hello everyone, my name is Yu Hao. I'm going to have a demonstration for the Global Dimension Expander. So this is today's agenda. So the first one is for the introduction of the Global Dimension Expander add-on and what's the advantages of Calsoft add-on. And the third part is for the demonstrate in the Business Essential system. So I will show you the functionalities in the BC system. And number 4 is the summary. So for the Global Dimension Expander, how it solves the Business Essentials limitations. So next, let's just jump into the first one, which is going to be the Business Essentials dimensions. It is a filtering feature, categorizing the transactions, tracking and analyze the attributes and values, and also the variable insights into the business operations. And as you can see from the screen, we have 2 global dimensions and 8 different shortcut dimensions in the Business Essential system. So this is just an introduction to the dimensions inside the Business Essential system. Next one is for the limitations of Business Essentials dimensions. Right now, Business Essential only has 2 global dimensions, and assigning such as right here you can see from the screen, assigning branch office and departments as the 2 global dimensions. And also you can see there are like 6 different shortcut dimensions, and it is already maxed out and with the limits of the global dimensions. So with the Calsoft add-on, shortcut dimensions can be converted into the global dimensions with Calsoft's expander. And right here you can see we have the shortcut dimensions for those global dimensions. And for the shortcut, for the original Business Essentials functionalities, it is out of box and can apply only 2 global dimensions. But with Calsoft add-on, right now you can apply all 8 global dimensions. So this is shortcut dimensions for those global dimensions. So for the solution, you can convert regular shortcut dimensions and acting like global dimensions, and you will have 6 additional global dimensions. It will across accounts payable, accounts receivable, and the general ledger modules. Without any required customization, you can use default screen and reports. So right here, just one example. So we have set up office location, project contact number as the 2 default global dimensions. And also we have 6 different shortcut dimensions converted into global dimensions with Calsoft's expander. So right here, I'm going to give you a quick global dimension expander demo. So this is going to be processed. It will show up on the purchase order page. And second one is for the dimension setup. And third is for the purchase invoice. You can also check posted purchase invoice page, and also the general ledger entries. And also we have the reports for this specific part. Okay, so let's just jump into the dimensions. The demo environment. So right here, this is our pre-set up demo environment, and this is our general ledger setup. So if you scroll down, and now let me click show more, so you can see this is the dimensions. And right now I have set up 2 global dimensions as department and customer group, and also the shortcut dimension 3 is for the area. Shortcut dimension 4 is business group. Shortcut dimension 5 is customer contracts, and shortcut dimension 6 is purchaser, and shortcut dimension 7 is sales campaign, and shortcut dimension 8 is the salesperson. So now let's just jump into the purchase order. So let's click purchase order. So let me just click one existing purchase order. So let me scroll down. Let me show more. So right here, we have the invoice details, and also we have the shipping and billing for the specific details for the this specific purchase order. So this is going to be our purchase order page. And right here, you can see we have the department codes that you can choose. And also we have the customer group codes, that you can add based on this parts. And also, if we scroll down to the right, we also have the order specific fields. And once we click the dimensions, give me 1 second, order dimensions. And right here, you can add all the details dimension that you want to add. For example, right here, so we have, salesperson, sales campaign, purchaser, departments, customer group, customer contract, business group, and area that you can select, because this is what we have for the dimensions under this purchase order. So this is related to the second part, dimensions. Next, I'm going to show you the posted purchase invoice. So if we go to the posted purchase invoice page, and once we click it, and if we scroll down, so we have the shipping and payment, and this is the with specific address, remit address. If we scroll up, so we have all the details for this specific order. So this is the demo environment, and this is all the details. Okay, next one I want to show you is the general ledger entries. So right here, so if we do a descending order for the posting dates, and if you scroll to the right, and you can see we have the two global dimensions right here. So we have department codes, customer group codes, and also we have the details, right here. So if we have the, 6 additional, shortcut dimensions, right here we have business group codes, customer contract dimension, purchaser codes, sales campaign codes, and also the salesperson codes, with the converted into the global dimensions. So this is for the global dimensions. And next, let's go back to this part. So we have 3 different reports. So what I can show you is right here we have the customized Calsoft report. Let's just search age accounts payable. So you can see, so we have this age accounts payable, and right now let me just share my screen. So give me 1 second. So right now I'm going to give you 3 different reports. So first one is going to be the age accounts payable, and the next one is going to be the age accounts receivables. But before I do that, I do want to pay attention that for the sales order and all the details that can be managed, not only sales order, but also the posted sales invoice, posted purchase invoice, and all the details that you can use in the future. And if we go back, we also have the solution right here. So right now, let me just give you a quick part right here. So let me go back and leave and refresh the page. And then let's do the purchase order one more time. So right here, you can see we have all the shortcut dimensions show up under this purchase order page. So we have sales campaign codes, salesperson codes, and once we go to the posted purchase invoice page, and if we click it, and you are going to have all the details for the shortcut dimensions set up under the posted purchase invoice page. And next one is for the age accounts payable Calsoft customized. And now you can fill in the transaction date, and you can print details. And if you want to use external document number, and let's preview. And right here, so you can see we have all the details for this specific customized Calsoft reports. So it'll include all the details and age by specific transaction date. And also you can filter the specific, for example, different fields, department codes, and you can filter the specific, for example, right here, let me select administration and let's click preview. And you can select as many as you want because this is the demo environment. So we don't have a lot of data inside it. But once you go to the another one, page accounts receivables, Calsoft, customize details. And right here, it's the same thing. You can filter to another salesperson code, two different, because this is demo environment. We don't have a lot of data inside it, but just give you an idea. So this is where you can double check for the reports. The last report is going to be the trial balance, Calsoft. Give me 1 second. Right here. So you can filter the actual changes, actual balances, variances, balances, and you can select the data filter. For this one, I'm going to use this specific date. Department date can be sales, and then we can preview. So this is going to be the GL accounts global dimensions. So we have the filters for the sales, and also we have the number. So so this is all the within the Calsoft add-on. And another thing I want to mention, this installation is just one extension management. So if you don't want it, for example, right now, you don't want this, you want to uninstall it, we can do just process, manage, and uninstall this extension. So right now you have successfully uninstalled it. But if you want to install it and you want the Calsoft add-on, the converter, to convert all shortcut dimensions into the global dimensions, you just need to click install. So it's pretty convenient for you to install the Calsoft Global Dimension. And let's go back to the PowerPoint slides. So benefits of Global Dimension Expander, it's easy to use without any required customization, analyzing data across different modules, and it is really easy to manage. So using the default screen and report, and also pull up the data in any way. So thank you for participating in the demo. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this Global Dimension add-on.